What is cracking? Yes, today is Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022. We are inside today, not because it's hot outside, because I love the heat and I love to die out there. It's actually, I look forward to the sweat. But we're inside today because it's raining and there was a big old lightning strike out there. So sure, could I go out there and risk it? Yeah, but I don't want to slip and fall and break my ankle or anything bad like that. So inside today. Anyway, what do we got today? 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 3 rounds, 12 exercises, 6 minutes around 18 minutes of work. We got barbells today. Well, first one, we got the jump rope. We're going to try and do it inside. It's going to be a pain in the ass, but we'll do it. We got barbells up here. See them up there? We got 45s on each side and the barbell, which equals what? You at home who know how to lift weights? That's right, 135 pounds right there. So we're going to be doing some strict press, 135. We're going to do some bent over rows, 135. Some cleans, 135. That's going to suck. And floor press, which should be fun. And one arm pulls, which we're just going to grab it. I'm just going to try to lift it. That's going to suck too. And I have this little thing here too, by the way, in case you want to use it, you can, of course. It's a kettlebell grip. See? Goes like that. Goes on your dumbbells. It also goes on the bar for the barbell. You can put it on there. You seal it up, and you can grab it this way and just bang, boom. So if you want to use it, you can. I'm leaving it out just in case it gets to be a pain in the ass. So that's what we got today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Turn post notifications on. Oh, and barbell rollouts. Yeah, we're going to be down rolling it out. Let's get that straight forward. Got the thing over here. It's 9:30 in the morning. Got to get this shit going, so let's go. Gonna be dying out here. So jump rope first. This is gonna be tough, but we're gonna wing it. We're gonna wing it. We're gonna suck in the gut, and we're gonna try to go round. There you go. Just get it started. Get a little jump in your stomach. Pump, pump, pump it up. Pump, pump, pump it up. Get that going round, 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 round. Nice. That's your first thing. Barbell overhead press. This is going to suck because it's heavy. So you grab it here, up, right here, and you're going to press straight. Look at that back muscles right there. One more. 5 strict ones right there. Now go down. Fuck. Now we're going to try bent over rows with that. Not saying it's going to be easy, but pick it up. Like that. Bend over. You got to get your core tight here. Super tight. Pull it to your belly. Get a little bend. A little hinge. There you go, like that. One more. There you go. What's next? Simple. Oh, I forgot to get my little mat. Here it is right here. For the knees. Little roll out right here. Oh, brutal. Roll it out. This is going to be a fun workout. I can already tell. Nice. What do we got next? What do you think? Yeah. Back to the, God, no breath. Back to the jump ropes. Get it. Get that cardio going. Come on, don't be a pussy. Remember, use your wrists here, not your arms. Don't pull out your arms. You should be pretty still with your arms. See how they're nice and straight? That's right. Next, floor press. Okay, so here, I'm just gonna lay down. We're gonna bring this up, bring it over, and God damn it, floor press. Oh, fuck. Blow out right here. One more. Now we got barbell cleans. Starting late because this is tough. Okay, try to clean it. So cleans is like this. And flip it. Oh, I'll catch it. That back down. This is heavy. Tap. Up. Flip. Oh, shit. That is a killer. And this muscle is fucked up in the first place. All right. Back to rollouts. So we're here. Those cleans are tough. That's it. That's it right there. Nice. Let's pop this on there for the last stick coming up. Oh, we got jump rope now. Put this right here in the middle. Pop it. Oh, come on. Just like that. He's out of breath. I should go outside. Looks like the rain stopped, so. But we can't switch it up. Once we're in, we're in. That's the way it goes. Boy, the cleans were tough. That's it. Boom. Okay. Next, you're gonna do, can you do it? Let's see. You just gotta pick it up, watch it. Oh yeah. Drop, pick it up, bend, up, down, up, down. You gotta squeeze that core. The only way you're gonna do that is squeezing that core tight. Let's go left arm, it's gonna be tough. So, we're bending at the knees. You're using your knees here too, so it's, there you go. Tap, up, tap, up, tap, up, tap. Tough. Get this off. Get that in here. Over here. Last but not least, finish strong with some rollouts here. Barbell. Right here. There you go. Man, that cleans. Shit's heavy. But cleans are part of life. You want to get strong? You want to get stronger? Sometimes you got to up the weight, which is what I'm doing today. Usually I would do 25s on there, which would make that 95 pounds. But today, we're going 135. And let me tell you, I'm out of breath. You can see, I did work up a little sweat too, so feeling good. Got to get some agua, drink it down. That's what we got. Get it done. Damn, he's jacked up. Look at the jackness. That's what we're gonna call that. It's a new term, jackness. Neil the Grinding Wheels got jackness. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Get it done today. Peace.